first question we wanted to ask you, what has Lloyd's been doing to promote active allyship? Because it's such a hot topic.
Yeah, it is a hot topic. And for us, we've been doing a range of things. So we have a festival called Dive In, which is a global festival. It's in sort of 40 countries, reaches 35,000 people a year. And this year, we're introducing both outreach to ethnically diverse communities and market and global wide mentoring and reverse mentoring program. On top of that, we used a number of the products from Race Equality Week. So my name is the 5-day challenge and the big promise, which is some of those things that we did.
And how's Lloyd's promoting better collection of ethnicity data? And what does the data show about ethnically diverse colleagues in the Lloyd's market?
Well, we built the collection of ethnicity data into our oversight or regulatory framework, and it's a mandatory requirement. We introduced that in 2021, and 61% of firms were recording ethnicity data. In 2022, that is now 94%. So there are only 2 firms that hadn't implemented it yet, and they were on the way. So I'm very hopeful when we report the data next year, it'll be 100%. And what we found is that there's been an increase in ethnically diverse population in the market from 9 to 11%. And even more pleasingly, there's been an increase in ethnically diverse leadership from 5 to 9%. And that's across the whole of the Lloyd's market. So we're talking 54 managing agents, 16 large brokers, hundreds of small brokers. So we're talking about a fairly significant change.
Your CPO and CEO made big promises. So how much progress has been made there?
Yeah, I mean, good progress, actually. So our CPO promised that we would look at how we're promoting ethnic talent, and our Accelerate program for ethnically diverse groups is going really well as building out a talent and succession process, which we're now pushing down the organization. Promised to publish our ethnicity pay gap, and we've done that. And also our 1 in 3 hiring target, which we have, again, rolled out to the entire Lloyd's market, and is responsible for the hire of 1,700 ethnically diverse people in the last year, including Lloyd's corporation itself recruiting a Black board member. We call them council members, but for anyone else, it would be equivalent to a board. The CEO made a big promise around pay and reward, that we would conduct a quality analysis both on our performance and our pay and bonus cycles, and we've done that, and we're going to improve that process next year. But it was good to identify there were no major issues in the process. And he agreed to do sponsorship of Black talent, and he's been mentoring 2 young Black business owners from the Lloyd's market, who created a recruitment company focused on ethnically diverse people called ACIN, who are now rebranding as Equity. And I made a promise, both mentoring and reciprocal mentoring, and I've taken on a number of mentors in the last few years, and also that committed to transparency around our targets and actions and publishing results, and everything is available to look at on our website under our culture dashboard.
How do you think the insurance sector has engaged with Race Equality Week?
Yeah, really well. I think when we started talking to Race Equality Matters, I think the number of insurance companies was absolutely negligible. So we've seen a 300% kind of increase in the insurance companies engaging with Race Equality Week, and it's just the start. So I'm really looking forward to seeing more participation next year as we drive these tools across the market, because they really are fantastic, practical tools, easy to implement, that every organization can do, and I really do thoroughly recommend it.